Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share the fourth tutorial in LabVIEW series in which I am going to explain all about controls palette. Let's first have a review of previous tutorials. In the first tutorial I have shown you basic introduction of LabVIEW software. In the second video we have seen how to deal with LabVIEW environment. In our third video we have seen how to use functions palette, and in today's tutorial we are gonna see how to use controls palette and what's the difference between controls palette and functions palette. Now in order to open functions palette, right click in your front panel and you can see we have controls palette in front of us. This control palette has all those controls which has some interaction with the user. So first of all, let's have a look at numeric control, and you can see here we have all numerical controls in this numeric panel. For example, if you want to show some analog or some float value, then you can use these numerical controls. Suppose if you want to show temperature of some patient, then you can use this thermometer. These are all the controls which can be placed on the GUI to have some interaction with the user. In the next panel, which is Boolean, we have different buttons like push button, rocket button, then we have this vertical toggle button, and then cancel button, stop, OK. These are different buttons, and then we have few LEDs, round LED and square LED. And if you wanna show some graphical value, then you can use any component from this graph panel. For example, we have waveform and then XY graph. If you wanna show 3D graph, then you can use this 3D picture or 3D graph component, and it again has few more graphs. These are different styles of graphs. Like if you want to show a bar graph, then you can use bar function. If you want to use a pie graph, then you can use pie or stem. So these are different graphical functions which we will cover in our coming tutorials. Now if you want to decorate your GUI, then you can use these different decorations from decoration panel. I will also cover these decorations in decoration tutorials of LabVIEW, and these are quite useful when you want to design some professional or some educational GUI. Then you can use these decoration components. So now coming towards what's the difference between control palette and function palette. If you closely have a look at control palette, then you can see control palette has all those controls which has some interaction with the user, or in simple words, which can be placed on the GUI. For example, if you check functions palette, then we have this add function. This add function can't be placed in the GUI. For example, if I want to design a calculator, and you don't want to know what's the coding behind it, you just want to get your value. So all those functions which has some user interaction are in control palette, while in functions palette we have each and everything. So in simple words, the control palette is a subset of functions palette. So that's all about controls palette. In my coming tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use while loop in block diagram. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.